Want you regular. It's regular game. Come on, do actual side to side. Like side to side. You're slanted side. Slow down and do it side to side. You're doing the same thing, Renee. Side to side. Keep it. Don't be lazy and twisted. Oh. I feel drained somehow. I feel energized.
Two more. Five total.
Why do you like doing extra?
I mean, cool. Now we're moving to the side to side walkovers. Side to side. Side. Yeah. Just three on each side. What? That's excited. Coffee today, too? What? Okay. All right. Okay. Just having a little technical difficulties.
So I had a beet juice.
Huh? You had a beet juice? You had a beet juice?
Yeah.
Spike.
Spike.
Yum.
So same thing forward. Straight side, same thing forward. Walk over. Then we do straight legs on the side. You graduated that class where you just step over. You know you be bouncing. The hell, man? I'm disappointed, CJ. I'm disappointed. And he's still walking over. Where's the hop? You got only three chances, man.
This time you can get
Who was cleaning up inside here?
Oh, nothing, man.
All right, walk out. Aren't you getting stressed, CJ?
Beautiful.
Not going yet. CJ caused it. And those yoga classes out there.
That's crazy.
You ever have back pain? Now have this, CJ. Whoa. Come on, man. You can do it. Yep. Try to get it, man. Try to get it. Yep. Lift it back down. Try to get it again. So grab it first and you go forward. Grab that. Yep, there you go.
Try to keep that front heel down.
I thought you would struggle with this one. No.
That doesn't so easy.
You gotta put that thing back in there. How we doing on this side, CJ? Come on, we gotta get it forward. Yeah? Have you been using them?
I ran today.
Oh, you ran today? I did too. I did this morning. Yeah. It's some of my favorites. Hill sprints. In the rain. Yeah. Refreshing.
Yeah, it is.
All done? Okay. Put the hands forward. Go back to the feet right here. Forward. Drop that. Roll up. Back to or whatever. However. Roll that. Roll forward. See my back foot?
Yeah.
It is. Feel it. It's gonna be a rainy day today. Wait, it already was. reps on this and on that. Okay? So, since you were here, you're going to be sharing these. One person on this side, one person on that side. Okay? Everybody made it back here. We have one number for this exercise. Drop it down. Drop it up. Okay? Then, make your bed. Just right here. Right? Now it's straight. Back. 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 Okay? 6. You have time. Not trying to rush each exercise. Trying to do it to the best of our ability. And you can. I just think it's a little bit more comfortable when you have your foot. Well, you can use the bench if it's easier for you.
Well, we'll see. I'll see how it goes.
Huh?
I'll just see. I mean, because we're sharing, right? So are we doing these at the same time, or is one doing this? It has to be the same.
Yeah. So try to start together. Start with these. I see the other one down here. Yes. Yep, something you gotta work on. Using the same weight she used on Tuesday.
I didn't.
Can you see this?
I was using the.
Who was using 25 pounds? At least. At least. No mercy, Renee. I'm gonna call you out. Yep. Bring them to your side. Straight right there, right there. And then you bring them in. Yes. Mm-hmm. You got core. You got core that you need to engage right there. There you go. Good job. Don't worry. You won't race this one. I'm slowing you down today. Always trying to come in here racing through everything. Not today, ma'am. Nice. Feeling the core? Good. 6. Just 6. Just 6. It's just 6. lifting too much. You're supposed to have your body taking all of the pressure. This is just mild support. So the fact that you're pushing it back and forth, it means you're using it too much. Turn them up, turn them up.
Maybe I should, if it's lighter, I can do it. I can't, I don't have upper body, my upper body.
It's okay, it's 6 reps. Take 10 minutes to do the 6 reps.
Well, I can't even lift them up.
Huh?
I cannot lift these up.
You can, you're doing just fine.
I can drag them.
You're doing just fine. Trust me, you're doing just fine. That is what strength training feels like. Yep. It take you 1 minute to do 6 reps. I'm all for it. Yeah. Trust me. Yep.
I just can't lift them off the ground.
Put more effort into it.
It's a lot of effort.
Takes a lot of effort for you to hike 6 miles or 10 miles, and you do it, don't you? You come in here telling me you can't do 6
Well,
miles.
I would say 6 miles, I'd say 20 miles maybe.
20 miles.
Okay, so,
See?
I mean, I did 20 miles. But 6 miles is nothing.
It's a walk over. You gotta do cardio, but your strength is slacking.
Yep, it is.
So we need to find that growth.
Yep.
We're not going up, Renee? 30?
I go for the next one.
This is your 3rd set, right? You should go up now. Come on, Renee. You just see me twice a week. We have this fun-hate relationship twice a week, right? It's okay, you gotta fight it. Don't try to escape, just hustle it. Find a point of the ground and look at it. You're gonna do such a lightweight, you better do 12 reps.
This is hard.
It is easy. It is easy when you have light weights. Whee! Come on, get it, Yvette. You got this. Woo! Doing good, ma'am. Let's go. Yes. If you get to the point where the straight arm is really too hard, bend your elbows a little bit. It's fine. Very nice. Come on, get it in, get it in, get it in, get it in. There you go. Good job. Nice. Woo. 4 sets. Yes, yes, yes. I never see you slow down so slow before. Never. Look at her. She's already done. It's like, come in here. She'll probably already be done with her 4th set of everything. I'm gonna keep this one in the routine. Watch me.
Yeah, well, good, because I want to get better at it. I want to be able to lift up that weight, so.
Good, just like that. Just that tempo. Nice. You put that extra struggle on it, it's like you having a 35-pound in your hand. What's that?
Yeah. No. 47.
Yay! My name is up! Woohoo! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Let me do my happy. Do I have a happy dance? I'm not gonna get funky. Not gonna get funky, but I'm excited. Make those hamstrings work. Bicep TJ? Yeah. It's up to 60. You did 100 pounds. Next time I do it, I'm going for 120. Upper size. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. If we were in the strip club, you'd be getting all my money for this. Have you showing them once? Come on, good work, good work. Come on, you got it, you got it. Nice. Come on. Woo! Yeah. Lovely. Nice. Woo! My man. Here we go. Good. Oh yeah. Woo! Yes, man. Nice hustle. Love it. You did both sides already? Yeah. What?
Missed it.
I didn't miss it. I have it right there. Oh, she said I missed the other side, but I said I don't miss it because I have it right over there. I go back and I watch it. All four? Nice. All right. Keep these.
These what?
No, we keep these.
Oh my god, okay. You're evil. I know, right? You're just evil. You're so
She
evil.
thought I was done.
You're so
Oh my God. Okay. So a while ago we went this way.
Yeah.
Right now we're gonna go this way. This way. Okay. Thought I was done.
We're just doing that. Is there something else?
Oh yeah.
This is
First
to a second.
Huh?
Not kitchen.
Oh, hurry up.
What do you mean?
I have one more.
We started.
Oh, we did.
No, we did not.
Oh no, yeah, we started that. Yeah.
She's trying to cheat you,
Yeah.
CJ.
Sorry, help me.
It's just 6 reps, CJ. All right. So we got those. We got box. You know what that means. But before we go to the box, we got weights. Don't go all the way down. Like parallel. Hop. 3 each side.
With the box.
No, this. Then you go to the box, a 6.
And what's the box? No, it's the box.
You can jump, right?
Well, I mean, are we using box jumps? I agree.
But when you jump up, in this, stand up. train you to do box jumps. So you tend to jump easier. Higher, with the toes, the hands, up. Yeah? Ground.
How many of the box jumps?
6.
So it goes this, box. 6. So the ground.
So here first. 1, 2, 3.
And ground.
1, 2, 3. Then box, then ground. When you go from here to the box, the ground, when you get to the ground, you're gonna be breathing. Which means when you go to the ground, it's gonna be a little harder for your core. Which is the whole point. It's to get you to fight to hold your core while you're tired. Yeah? Go! Coca-Cola bottle shape. 3. What happened, CJ?
I'm sorry.
You don't have to move over. The box jumps. Are you scared of the taller box? No, CJ. Hell no. You lining up for the small box. Like, what in the world?
How many?
6. Like, hell no, CJ. What side do you want? Do you want a 20, 24, or 30? This is 24. This is 30. 24. Oh, that's 30. No, that's 24. Oh, you can start at 18. Well, actually, no, we did this. You did this before. Yeah. I'm like, what the hell, Renee? Come on, try to get the feet up though, up and over. It's okay. It's okay. That's why I give you this box so you can mess your knee up on it. 6 straight. Come on. Focus on going up. Come on, you gotta focus on going up. How much you at? 5. Up. Good. Gotta go up. Gotta go up. Okay. Okay. Still got 1. Gotta go up. Okay. Gotta do 1 more. Catch your breath. Relax. Your arms. Push. 1 more. Got this. Good. Good job. Good job. Yeah. Look at those jumps. Did you try with the heavier weights first?
I can't even do it. I mean, I can't.
It's
Why?
okay.
I mean, I can't. I can't do it.
I didn't see you
gonna-
try. Gotta start at the back. Right there is fine. Push it forward. That's fine. Come on. That is fine. I told you, slow down. Let's go. Push it. Push it, roll it. Yes. Come on, that's 2. Got 4 more to go. Come on, push it. Come on. Nice, 3 more to go. We got time, let's get it. Come on, push. Nice. 2 more to go. Come on. Push. 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 1 more to go. What are you talking about? What? Look at you. Always just trying to race through everything all the time. I'm going.
Regions or something.
What?
Yeah, I mean, you have to, yeah.
Told you I was gonna slow you down someday. Ready for the box, Renee? Oh, you did the box already? What number you want? Try not to beat the box so hard, okay? Pretend you're landing on meters. Nice! There you go. What do you mean, well? She did it. Did you hear it? Listen to that. Listen to that. Listen to that. Heavy? It sounds like you don't have no self-control. That's what it sounds like. That's why you need to try to work on it. Would you drop yourself heavily on a hot needle? Well, no. Well, this is a hot needle. Oh, CJ's waiting for me to get away. Okay, I'm sorry. Huh? CJ and Renee face off. Woo! Nice, man. Nice. Yeah. Come on. Up. It's okay. Up. Okay. All right, finish over here. No? Okay. Yeah! Renee's fighting. Yeah. Woo! Let's get it. I'll be right over here. Let's get it. Woo, yeah. How much you got left? 1 more. Okay, let's go. Sweet. Good job, man. Ooh, Renee, you're coming up. Huh? You don't know how many you did? They said he was on his 3rd one. This is the last one.
Last issue.
Okay, so we're trying.
Quiet. See what you got. Let's see if you try to kill yourself on needles. Let's see. Hard up, soft down. Better. Better, see? You can do this. Hard up, soft down. Nice. Woo-wee. CJ's getting it. What? She's just getting quiet. Whoa. Wonder what happened. Calling a new girlfriend or something? You didn't laugh. I mean, you bet. Why you made that? Why she gotta make that big laugh at that statement? What happened?
Nothing.
It's not. What?
Nice.
You gotta check her, CJ. You gotta check her. man. Don't. Gone. Gone, gone. All done. Said yes. Alright, let's back the weights up. Keep the mats, but pack the weights up. So you weren't feeling it today? Why?
No, I just
Felt sore? Oh. Alright. Alright. So, here we go. We did this before, but we're doing it without weights today. Elbow down. This hand right here. You take it through while we're twisting the legs. We take you back. When we come back to center. Yeah? Twist to the side. Legs are to the side. Come back to center. 12 each side. Take your time. Do it properly. We want maximum power. Get 3 sets in. Wrap it up. Wrap it up. Ready to deal. It's okay. I'm okay. You can't do nothing. No, it's okay. It's okay. I trained for 1 hour 45 minutes. Really working. Yeah. It was fun. Whew. But I don't feel like I'm gonna get to see bros tonight. I feel like I have too much adrenaline. it going over there? Huh, Myler?
What?
I said, how's it going over there?
Great. Great.
Sounds like you're working over there. Normally doesn't. I don't hear anything. All I see is a lot of speed. Somebody be done, and I hear no sound. Today I'm hearing a lot of sound. Is everything good? Are you sure? Your backup energy is not here. Is that what it is? Your backup energy is not here. You taking it slow? Why is that? I wonder why is that? Right, I love it. This is last set? It's probably over there like, shut up, see? Oh my God! What? Falling over and stuff? Come on, look up at your hand. Follow your hand with your eyes. You're not twisting back all the way. Okay, last set. You still got like 4 minutes to finish 5 reps or so. Come on, you got this. Nice. Back. There you go. Nice. Oh, Renee's done. Myler is done. CJ is done. How much you got there? Oh, yeah. You go. Alright, that's it. Yes, that's it. So we can go back to the first action stretch with this move right now, or you can grab the whole floor. But that just, and you're gonna hold that. No, you're not gonna mobilize it. You're gonna hold it for 30 seconds. So you can take your time. You can take your time from the top. Start your 30 seconds. Once you get into the bottom of it, you'll hold it. So maybe 5-10 seconds to get down. So then you hold it right there. Huh? So you can't. Oh, okay. Start here. Slowly work into it. Slowly work into it. And wherever you stop, you just hold it right there. 30 seconds. Side of that. Thanks, CJ. You need some hamstring flexibility in here. Sit down too much, CJ. Huh?
How much it is?
What?
We're done. We're done.
Either way, we are due. D-O-N-E. Good job.
Calorie burger, though.
How much?
700.
700. What did that? Is that weight that you use? Yup.
I think I like the heavy, not just fat stuff, like just fighting through lower reps versus being aggravated.
I believe it. I believe it. I believe it. Today's Thursday, right?
Yep.
Great job, guys.
Great job. Super impressed.
Super excited. Super excited that some people do 6 reps and they fight for it. Super excited. Renee told me to go kick rocks so she can finish her 2 cups on the Paula bar. Super excited. I'm gonna sleep very nice tonight. It's like, woohoo! I'm actually motivated.